With seeing an overview of the S25 Ultra, we now have our first look at the standard Galaxy S25 model, and there are 3 minor, but noteworthy alterations to discuss. Though initially it seems nearly exact to the S24, if you pay close attention the bezels are clearly slimmer. Ice Universe intervened to suggest the bezels are really even slimmer than what OnLeaks revealed. He thus created his own render to match the S25 Ultra, and show just how slim they would be. Should this be accurate, the tiniest bezels we have ever seen on a phone will be seen throughout the S25 series. The proportions reveal another interesting variation. It will be 0.4mm thinner than the S24, which was already svelte at just over 7.5mm thickness. Samsung seems to be downsizing the full S25 lineup, which would make holding them much more pleasant. Furthermore noteworthy is the lack of camera ring grooves, like the Z Fold 6. Ice Universe claims the camera lenses will have a new ring shape but resemble the S24. For the camera rings, Samsung is using this unusual new form. It should not become a dust magnet, hopefully. Though with lower bezels, a sleeker design, and a unique new camera ring shape, the S25 will seem generally somewhat similar to the S24. Now under the hood, Samsung is not only in the US, but also worldwide with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU for the S25. No Exynos this time, which is a victory particularly given the beast nature of the Gen 4 chip. Just have a look at the leaked Geekbench results. They are ridiculous. They exceed 10,000 in multi-core performance. A Snapdragon chip has outperformed Apple's A-series chip by a fair margin for the first time in a long run. Apple used to chat a lot of smack about their chip supremacy, but gosh, things have changed. On top of that, Samsung has published the One UI 6.1.1 update for their normal phone range, adding over all the AI capabilities from the Z Fold 6 and a few fresh ones too. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.